Hi, this cat is called Take a 10-minute walk. Long story short, it is about you arriving on an appointment way too early, so you consult a walk generating app. And what it provides you is a list with directions that you can go. Each direction representing a block that you have to traverse. And what we have to check out if the list actually contains 10 values, each representing a 1-minute traversal of a block. And on top of that, it should take you backwards. So if the app sends you 5 times northward, you should be sent 5 times southward as well to get back to your starting point. Let's go. Well, let's start with the first condition. The walk should take 10 minutes. As said, each direction in the list represents a block that you have to traverse and it takes 10 minutes. So what do we have to check? If the list actually contains 10 values, 10 elements in other words. How do we do that? Well, with the length function, takes the entire list and that will provide us with an integer, 10. So this is actually true. And as said, we have to compare it against the value of 10 because it has to take 10 minutes and that returns true. So let's make a condition of that. If it takes 10 minutes, or actually reverse it, if it doesn't take 10 minutes, we return false immediately. Time for the second condition. The amount of northward directions should be equal to the amount of southward. As said, if you are sent 3 times northward, we should equally send 3 times southward as well, else you won't get back to the starting point. How do we do that? Well, what I want to do is the following. We have this list walk, which takes the count method. And here we can put in a argument, the n, for example, for the directions northward. And this will count how many times we will be sent northward. Let's do the same for southward. Walk.count, and then as an argument s for southward. And that is also 5. And those should be equal to each other to be legit. True. Okay. Let's do the same as we did above. If the amount is not the same, we return false. And the same we have to do for the eastward and westward directions. Those should be equal to each other as well, for the reason I just elaborated on. If the walk.count westward is not equal to the amount of times we are sent eastward, then we return false. That won't be legit. And in all the other cases, we just return true. So this equals true. Let's take one that actually has to return false. This one. Yeah, works like a charm. Let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. I hope you learned something from this and that this video has been useful. I thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.